Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video I am going to do two separate eye look. One eye will be one color and the other one will be a different color. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching and I appreciate you. And this is the eyeshadow look for today. I try to keep it simple for the people who are having trouble doing their eyeshadow, or the people who want to start doing makeup. It is not complicated. Makeup is fun but not complicated. So I want to keep it simple. I did this eye look, 2 different colors on this eye look, and also 2 different colors on eye look, but I do them 2 separate ways. So you can see you can do separate things. You can do separate things and still get an eye look. I used face powder, blush, an eyeshadow palette, a brow pencil, eyeliner. You can use the eyeliner top and bottom, mascara, and a lipstick. This is all you need to start. You don't need a lot of stuff. I did not use concealer. I did not use setting spray. This is your everyday makeup. This is your makeup for the day. This is how you want to do it. And you can do it even better, but I'm saying you don't need 10,000 different products to accomplish a simple eye look and a full face of makeup. And if you don't have a lip liner, you can take your lipstick and edge it and make it like this to create your lip liner. You don't have to have a lot of stuff. Don't get intimidated by the fancy cut crease and wing eyeliner and all of these things. Just do your makeup like this with the simple things you have and start. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you can start with this stuff. You can do a different eye look every day. You can do a 1-color eyeshadow. You can do a 2-color eyeshadow like I did. I use this color and this color, and this color is on this eye. I put it as a halo, the purple in the middle and the gray everywhere, and the purple in the inner corner. And on this eye, which is my left, which is your right, I use this color and this color. This is it. Simple and quick. Don't get confused and complicated, please. And again, always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self, and I will see you in another video. Makeup is fun. Have fun. Take your palette out. If you want to do a YouTube video, do it. YouTube is not easy, but if you feel like you think you want to do it and you love what you're doing, go ahead and do it. If you just want to do a simple makeup just to feel good for the day, you're going nowhere, you're home alone and you want something to lift your spirit up, take your palette out and do some makeup. You don't need fancy brushes. You can use your finger. If you have one brush, use it, then wipe it on a towel and do it again. But it's not complicated. Don't be afraid to try your palette. Again, bye. Bye, bye, bye.